So next is a side skirt bar that runs right here, and then a cage for the fuel tank, and then the front bumper, and then the rear bumper, and then I'll send it off for mechanical help. The plan for today is to start work on this rocker panel and the fuel cage. So I'm going to make it out of 1-inch tubing, cut some pieces up, frame it. The chassis rear end has been changed, so this now goes lower. I don't exactly know what I'm going to do. I'm not going to follow this specifically, but that's it. Okay. So I'm at a bit of a standstill. I've wore out the belt and the notcher and the drill press. So I've ordered a new one, and the A-pillar support was so tough that I destroyed the bit for the saw. So I have to go get another bit, another blade, and probably do that tomorrow and then leave for now. So I really can't do anything right now without my tools. I think this is how I'm going to mount the fuel tanks. Flush with the side of the cage. There's lots of room between the engine. This will be cut back a bit. The cage will run behind it, and then there'll be some extra space. The cage will run up to about here, and then people can put larger fuel tank in if they choose. And then this rocker panel is partially side impact protection, and the side skirt will fit beside it, so it will support if people were to step on it as they get in, because it'll all be carbon.